Namaste, my dear students, as well as everyone. Today I am going to talk about how to write personal letter. Personal letter writing is also an important question for the examination. First, let's talk about what is personal letter. A personal letter is a written piece of composition. It is generally written to relatives or friends. It may contain expression of one's personal opinions or ideas or feelings on a subject. A letter may be on different topics. It can have an endless variety of subjects. In class 8, you may be asked to write a letter on the given topic in about 150 words. Similarly, in classes 9 and 10, you may be asked to write a letter on given topic in about 200 words. And in classes 11 and 12, you are asked to write a letter in about 300 words. Therefore, the content of the letter varies from one level to another. If you are the student of higher grade, then you have to write the letter somehow longer. If you are the student of grade 11 or 12 or plus 2 level, you are asked to write the letter in about 300 words. Similarly, if you are the student of secondary level 9 and 10, you are asked to write the letter in about 200 words. If you are the student of basic level, especially grade 8, you are asked to write the letter in about 150 words. Then let's talk about parts of personal letter. What are different parts of personal letter? Generally, there are mainly 5 parts in personal letter. They are heading, address and date of the sender. We write address and date of the sender under heading. Similarly, salutation. We can start the letter like dear friend, dear mom, dear father. Similarly, the body. The body is the main content of the letter. Next, subscription. We can write your best friend, best wishes from, loving yours, etc. under subscription. Then finally we can write signature or our name. What is heading? At the beginning you should write the address of the sender on the top corner of right hand side. Under it you have to write the date. In higher grades, the address and date may be given in the question. If it is given in the question, you can write the address and date which is provided in the question. Similarly, the second part is salutation. After writing the address and date, you have to write salutation like dear friend, dear father, etc. In the salutation, we have to address or call the receiver stating dear. Next, third part is body. This is the main part of the letter. It may be written in 3 parts like opening, main message and closing. In the opening part, we can express thanks and well-being of both parties. In the second paragraph, we can express the main message. It is the main body of the letter. There may be more paragraphs in this part. In the main part, the paragraphs should be well connected. You can expand the body according to your level. Suppose you are the student of grade 8, you can write the body in about 150 words. If you are the student of grade 9 or 10, you can write the body in about 200 words. And if you are the student of grade 11 or 12, you can expand the body in about 300 words containing some paragraphs. The paragraphs of the body depend on the words which the paragraph contain. Opening. Thanks for previous letter as well as normal message can be written. In the same way, we can write other sentences about the recent activities and physical condition in this paragraph. Main message. The subject matter of the topic is explained as much as possible. Closing. It is the final paragraph of the letter. We can close the letter formally in this paragraph. The fourth part is subscription. Subscription is generally written at the bottom of right hand side. We can write yours, your best friend, loving yours, etc. in this part. The fifth part of the letter is signature. Generally, we write the name of the sender here. It is written under subscription. Then look at the format of the letter. Read the letter carefully. If you want to read it in detail, you can pause the video and read carefully. Heading is also given there. Similarly, salutation is also there. Opening paragraph is there. Main message is written in two paragraphs, main message 1 and main message 2. Then closing is also there. Similarly, subscription is also there and signature is also there in the letter. Read the letter carefully. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and to visit my blog devprasadpandit.blogspot.com. You can get other materials in mobile app named Signetholo. Please download mobile app Signetholo from Play Store. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.